Hello everyone, in this video I'll be doing a review of the Cadbury Cream Egg McFlurry from McDonald's. So this is a favorite. The Cadbury Cream Egg McFlurry has little chocolate pieces in it, as well as like a caramel and the fondant that's in the cream egg. So it's pretty much a cream egg with ice cream, and it is absolutely delicious. So I want to get into this here. In one of the snack size ones, there's 420 calories. In the regular size, there's 620 calories. I just went with the snack size because this is still pretty big. So getting right into it. Oh yeah, it's really good. So the ice cream has like that caramel or whatever's on the inside of a cream egg mixed in with it. So ice cream doesn't taste like normal vanilla ice cream. It has like a taste of the cream egg, so it's very delicious. Yeah, it's so good. Clean the spoon off here before I go in for another one. I only get a snack size too because, if you look at this thing, it's packed up past this, so they give you more than what you're supposed to get in one of these, so it's always nice. That stuff's good. I'm not sure if it's caramel.